Alright, so this is a Williams System 11C. So this board came in with issues in the displays. So the whole right side of the displays were just garbage. Um, with this board, it was sent in with no game ROM, so I went ahead and put my Whirlwind ROMs in, and same with that, it was just the bottom displays that were garbage. Went through, probed it out, ended up coming back with a bad 6821. So we had to unfortunately void the warranty as well as pull the 6821. But we went ahead and resocketed that, replaced the 6821 there. As well as, let's see, we replaced both the game ROM sockets as well as resocketed the 6802. Replaced the 3 power input filter capacitors as well as the reset capacitor, and then we changed out the power input header here as well. So I'll go ahead and get this thing fired up. And pinball missing, of course. And we got the relay trying to figure something out there, but it's not going to. We don't have a music or a soundboard connected, so no music or sound coming out. But we will go through the display test. And the great thing with these Whirlwind ROMs is it'll actually test all of the outputs there of the displays. So even some that your specific game may not use. So the displays are fully working. Go on the next test is sounds, and again we don't have a soundboard connected. We do have all the lamps going there, and go into single lamps. So as you can see, a little bit of ghosting there. That's due to the LEDs. And so let's go into coil test. And into the special solenoids. And we'll go ahead and test those by hand as well. And all those are working. And into the switches. So going through diagonally, testing both the rows and the columns. I don't know if I hit that one there, but there we are. Everything's working. Test both the A side and C side, which we've already seen that working. But we are good to go. Everything is 100% ready to go for you again. So thank you so much for sending it.